This video is all about how quick and easy it is to terminate Velbus glass panels. So let's find the center of it and just quickly cut back this paper. You see I'm very jagged and quick with it. And that's it. Inside is our little data cable, nicely secured. And the only thing I need to expose from here are the two little screws. That's out of the way. It's now time to get my little tool. I know I've been ridiculed for this 1,000 times, but you know, I don't care. It works for me. So get that in there. I'm not taking the screws out because we don't need to. All I'm doing is withdrawing them enough that I can get the box up the mounting frame onto. The keen-eyed amongst you will notice that that box did not go in square. And there's a reason for that. It's because it's an 1890s wall that is nothing in this house. Nothing in this house is square. So we were lucky to get a fixing at all. But because this is a round back box, the beauty of it is it doesn't matter. Really does not matter. And I know what we will do, we'll put that on there and then magically that will become square. Just like that. And all we do then is put it into place. Right, next thing to do, of course, is to terminate this cable. We don't need this much cable in here. Got plenty of room, so all I need, I'm going to cut it to about there so it can sit back into the box about there. Into there. Once round, just enough to cut the outer sleeve. The next thing to do is to terminate all these into the connector. And because they are so tiny things, the easiest thing to do is to take a little back, grab a 0.34 ferrule, stick it on the end here, and crimp it up. Just like that. And then we grab the connector. From the back of the connector, we squeeze together and open them up, and we take off the connector. Take the red and pop it into the red hole. That's simple. And keep repeating that. So clearly I've got a slightly different color cable here. So red to red, black to black, white to white. And what's left is what's left. On the larger, more industrial cables, the core would actually be yellow. And that's it. That's how to terminate a Velbus switch. When you're ready, take the connector onto the back there, plug it in, flip it over, and you're done. And that is how you terminate a Velbus glass panel. Oh, and that's one way, that's a two-way, that's an intermediate, that's a thermostat. It could have a motion sensor in there, everything. That is how every switch gets wired up. So forget how to wire two-way switches and intermediates. Digital, you don't need to. If this wasn't an end of line, we then go on, the cable would go out, and there'd be another one exactly the same.